Hey folks, data analysis can be overwhelming. Whether you're a data scientist, a business analyst, or just someone who loves working with data, you've probably faced the challenge of dealing with massive data sets, complex algorithms, and the constant need for accurate analysis. Imagine having the power to quickly and accurately analyze your data, uncover hidden patterns, and make data-driven decisions with ease. That's the dream, right? Well, with the right AI tools, this can become a reality. Therefore, in today's video, we will acquaint our viewers with 3 best AI tools that can surely facilitate in data analysis. Without further ado, let's dive into exploring these AI tools. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. Let's begin by discussing the very first AI tool, and it is called Julius AI. Here is the official page. Julius AI has a user-friendly interface. The best part is that it generates Python codes, and soon, though, our will be integrated as well. Here you can see few of the setting as Julius AI uses ChatGPT 4 and Claude 3 model for data analysis. You can choose any of the two, but I will go with the default setting. Next in Tools, we have got 3 different options which can be chosen as per the need. In the advanced reasoning, Julius AI allows to create a plane for the task and execute it. Now, it depends on us whether we want to enable it or not. Now, here comes the first step to begin our data analysis to do. So we need to upload data, and here you can see an Excel sheet of the data. This is quite a large data set, which is around average, incomes across various age groups for different majors. Let's upload the file in the Julius AI. In order to do so, click here, and then we have got 2 different options, whether we want to upload a Google Sheet or a file. So let us go with the first option, and here we can upload files in different formats. These include spreadsheets, image, or a PDF as we have our data in Excel. Let me choose it from my desktop, and it will start to upload the file on Julius AI. We just need to bear for a few seconds. Once the data is uploaded, then we will be able to see this interface. This AI will automatically detect any issues with spreadsheets. Once the checking is over, we can interact with this data. We can choose different columns or rows to interact with specific data. However, we will be interacting with entire data. Let's begin asking various questions related to the data set first. Let us ask to have some insights about this data set. Once done with typing the prompt, then hit Enter, and Julius AI will start its process. Here you can see it is generating Python code. Once this is over, it will bring forth the results. So, here is the comprehensive response about our data set. You can see the data contains information on average incomes across various age groups for different measures. Further, you can see 44 different age groups are there in the data set. So in this way, we can begin our data analysis by just asking our concerns about the data. The best part is here at the bottom. You will be able to see 2 predefined questions which are regenerated by Julius AI after analyzing the data. So, let me go with the first one, as it talks about, what are the top 5 measures with the highest average income across all age groups? Let us hit this question. And here is the Python code. Now you can see the results. The top 5 measures with the highest average income across all age groups. These include neuroscience, molecular biology, followed by biological engineering, health, medical preparatory programs, and genetics. So in this way, you can use the predefined questions to generate outcomes and learn more about your data. As a researcher, we know the importance of data visualization. So, Julius AI generates various graphs and charts in a single click of a button to understand the data in a better way. In order to do so, let's type our prompt over here. So we want Julius AI to generate a visual for income distribution by age group for animal sciences in food sciences. Once done with typing, it will begin its process. And here are the Python codes, and further details can be seen below. Here is the graph around our concern, so let me click it and it will zoom a bit. Here on the y-axis average income and on x-axis various age groups can be seen. At this point in time, we can make changes in our graph. In order to do so, let's hit it, and here we go. Now, we can change the position of our graph from legends. Besides, the size of the chart can also be changed. Likewise, we can make changes in the title. From here, the label on y-axis and x-axis can also be changed at this point in time. Once done with the changes, we can download the graph into our system in a single click of a button. To do so, let's hit download, and here we go. This is a graph which can be used for various purposes. So in this way, we can create stunning visuals to understand the data in better and smarter way. So in this way, we can use Julius AI for data analysis. Let's move to discuss the second AI tool, and it is called PowerDrill AI. Here is the official page. PowerDrill AI helps with data analysis, and it facilitates to do the data job faster than ever. To begin, let's hit Data Analytics and then create a new data set. Here you can see we have an option to upload our data set, and it supports files in various formats. As we have existing data, so let us open it, and you can see it's quite large data set that talks about various majors and their income for different age groups. So we will use this data to analyze and see the potential of PowerDrill AI. You can see the file has uploaded and ready to analyze the data. Here on the right side, you can see this AI has analyzed the data and suggested a few questions. We can begin our interaction with the data using these questions, or we can ask our own question. So let's commence our conversation with the data using these questions. This question will allow us to check out the possible inquiries regarding the data if we are not familiar with it. Then we can use some predefined questions to learn more about the data. You can see PowerDrill AI is processing, and here are some of the questions. In total, this AI has suggested 10 different questions related to the data. It talks about various majors, including income progression by major, top earning majors, income variability, and many more. So let us try one of the questions from here. This particular question asks about the age do individual in different measures typically reach their peak earning potential. Once hit, it will begin the process. First, it will generate Python codes for question, and then we have descriptive response. Here is the response from PowerDrill around our question, so let's go in more depth. As you can see, it has highlighted different majors with their peak earning ages. These major varies from general agriculture to food sciences. In the next column, we can see peak ages for each major, and then we have peak earnings. So, in a single click of button, it brings forth the top 4 majors and their peak ages and peak earning values. Next, we have ultimate conclusions. These can be read in order to have better understanding about the data. This is followed by examples of specific majors and their peak earning ages. And finally, we have key observations that discusses around early peak in some fields, late peak in others, and mid-career peaks. This descriptive response ends with consideration for individual and educators, followed by data limitation. This is absolutely amazing since PowerDrill AI provides comprehensive outcome for the questions related to the data. Now let's ask this AI tool to summarize the provided data. Here is the outcome generated by PowerDrill AI. You can see this data contains 171 rows and 45 columns. Besides, it includes data on various majors and the corresponding income statistics for different ages, ranging from 22 to 65 years old. In this way, the PowerDrill AI can be used for data analytics. Now let's move on for further analysis. This time, we are interested in visualizing the data. Let's check the potential of this AI for data visualization. Let me paste the copied prompt in the prompt bar. Here we want PowerDrill AI to visualize the income data across different ages for the following majors: agriculture production and management, miscellaneous agriculture, journalism, communication technologies, using a bar charts to show the income trends over age for different majors. Once type the prompt, hit enter, and wait for a while. Here you can see this AI is processing and bring forth the results. You can see it begins with a Python code. Next, we have a table with details about each major along the age and income. Further, PowerDrill AI creates Python codes to generate bar charts. Once this is over here, you can see a comprehensive bar chart for each major. This graph is in a good quality and easy to understand. From here, you can download the graphs and use directly in your write-up. Further, this AI discusses income trends visualization for selected majors. Here are the details which can be read thoroughly. Then we have key observation regarding the data, and this is followed by recommendation for future studies. In a nutshell, PowerDrill AI has suggested the following recommendation. These include: investigate anomalies, consider additional variables, and lastly, it suggests for a longitudinal analysis. This AI has performed absolutely well in the data analysis. It not only draws graphs, but also explains each and everything. The best part, it reads the data and extracts information about the trends. More importantly, it suggests for further studies after analyzing the data. Let's discuss the last free AI tool for data analysis, and it's called ChatGPT. Let's suppose this is the large data set we have, and this raw data has been downloaded directly from the internet, and we have no information pertaining to this particular data. Now we just want to understand this data using ChatGPT. So let's ask ChatGPT to analyze the data. Then the first step is to copy the data from the data set. So let's suppose these are the entries we are copying, and then we will paste the copied data over here. Once pasted the raw data, then we will hit enter. As we said at the beginning, this data is raw data, and we have no idea about the downloaded data. Now you can see that ChatGPT has analyzed the data and it has provided information about it. It says the data appears to be a list of information about employees, including their name, job title, department, business, unit, gender, salary, country, and more. Now we can make sense of this data, as initially it was difficult for us to understand the data set. So, in a nutshell, this data is all about the information of employees of one company. ChatGPT helped us to make sense of this raw data. Now we will go a little deeper into the data. As we can see, the data is not in a tabular form. If this entire data will be provided in tabular form, then we can make more sense of it. Therefore, we will ask ChatGPT to convert the data into tabular form. Once we are done with the typing, then let's enter and you can see the magic. ChatGPT agreed to convert the data into tabular form. Now this AI will astonish you, since it will convert the entire raw data into tabular form, which will ultimately make more sense. See, this free AI converts the entire data into tabular form, and it's automatically drawing columns and rows. Besides, you can see it automatically arranges the data and fills the table. You can see that it's processing the data one by one to fill the required space with the correct information. You just need to wait for a while until the process is done. Now you can understand this data further, as ID numbers of the employees are listed down. Besides, their names, job titles, and many more. You can go through the data to make more sense of it. So let's analyze it further and get more information about it. Now we are interested to know the average salary of the employees of this company. So we will type and hit enter. It will take microseconds to extract information from the data. You just have to wait for a few seconds. So here you go. This is the average salary of the employees. It is $119,603. If we start to find the average salary of the employees manually, it surely takes considerable amount of time. But ChatGPT helps to extract more accurate information within few seconds from rich data. So let's extract some more information about the data set. This time, we want to know the total number of employees' distribution as per their gender and age. In simple words, we want to know the frequencies of the employees as per their gender and age. Just type the prompt and see the magic. Here you go. You can see that 2 employees' age is between 25 to 29. Similarly, other employees' age information can be seen. Furthermore, the gender distribution depicts that there are 9 male and 8 female employees in the company. Let's explore the data for further information. As you can see from the table, various departments have been mentioned. For instance, IT, sales, finance, and many more. Now we just want to explore which department employee's salary is higher. So we will type which department employees earn more, and then we will hit enter to see the magic. This free AI tool will analyze the data and extract information from the data. The results demonstrate the salaries of each department you can see here. ChatGPT has addressed our concern, and here is the answer. As per this, the marketing department pays the highest salary to the employees. Initially, it was difficult to highlight it from the data, but this AI tool has the capacity to extract information from the provided data. Finally, we want the AI to draw overall conclusion of the input data. Therefore, let's type it in the prompt bar. Here is the result. ChatGPT has extracted information about every aspect of data. It begins with age and concludes with the average age of the employees. Besides, it discusses about racial distribution of the employees, as Caucasian are higher in percentage, followed by Asian and Black. Moreover, it talks about the average salary of the employees. In a nutshell, this AI has extracted entire information from the data in single click of a button. In this way, we can feed data into ChatGPT and extract particular information. As we discussed 3 best AI tools for data analysis in this video. The first two, including Julius AI and PowerDrill AI, are paid. However, the ChatGPT 3.5 can be used completely free for data analysis. Try any of these and let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Besides, don't forget to subscribe Guru Tech Solutions for more AI-related content. See you in next video. Bye.